So let's start, है ना? So we are going to start MOD. Okay. I hope the voice is very clear to you all, and no issue is there. Video is also clear. Okay. Is that okay? Every one of you are requested to please switch on their cameras, है ना? So that we can proceed nicely.
सभी का आदत है।
Pritam, just
अच्छा ब्रेक ऑन क्या है?
okay. So MOD, है ना? Visual to you all also. You can sit there, ना? Front will be there. Okay. So MOD में हमने last time हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Actually we have studied in the last class about continuity, differentiability, right? Continuity and differentiability was done in the last classes. So there was a two meaning of differentiability, like है ना? We have studied geometrical meaning. Geometrical meaning and geometrical significance. And the other one is, the second one is, yes, any one of you please tell me, what is the other one?
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
Blackboard Uday, background.
Can you write in English? Someone written in Manipuri. I can't able to understand Manipuri. That is the biggest problem, right? Noise is coming a lot.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, remove the background. We can able to see the whiteboard.
You can't able to see the blackboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me remove the table. Now it's okay.
No, sir, it's still there.
What happened? It's not visual or what?
Sir, we
visual.
mean the background, not the table.
Actually, we have login from the two devices, so you can see through the others. Huh? Like you can pin it that, then you can easily able to see it. Go in the video column and you can pin it that. Then you will not require to go through that. Now it's okay. Is it okay now? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. You can pin it, है ना? There are 3 columns on that. You can just pin it that. You will see the video of that only. And voice will come from the other. Okay? Need not to be worried. Is it okay now? Yeah, reply me fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see. Just let us say this is the graph of some function, and we have seen previously that dy by dx is nothing but a slope. Dy by dx is what? Tan theta, right? Which is equal to slope m. Correct? So whenever we need to find out the slope, we are just finding out the tangent slope, right? Dy by dx is what? The slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent, right? Okay, we know that. And if you can see any point in between x is equal to a, so let us say x is equal to b, then we are saying the function is differentiable only when dy by dx is equal to tan theta is unique, right? Only it is unique, then it is differentiable, otherwise it's not. That we have seen by the LHD. LHD is equal to RHD, then the function is differentiable, right? LHD is equal to RHD. Okay, understood? Then there is a meaning of physical meaning, है ना? Physical meaning. Second meaning is what? Physical meaning. That's the meaning of rate of change. Rate of change. Okay, rate of change. As you've seen in the physics also, what is the velocity? Velocity is called as, what is velocity? Yes, any one of you? Rate of change of what? Rate of change of what? Rate of change of position with respect to, the thing is that with respect to, the position is changing, but what, how this is changing, that is called with respect to. With respect to, I'm making you one of the, as a host, and you can take care of the persons who are coming frequently and going. Okay, so who want to be the host? Boris, I am making you host. Okay, now you can take care of the persons who are coming and going. There are too much people are coming and going. I don't want to interrupt the class in between. So, okay, the rate of change of position with respect to time, time. That is the meaning of dx by dt. Okay, when delta x upon delta t is also the velocity only, right? But here the change is significant. Here the change is so much significant. Okay, but when delta x tending towards 0, it's very small change, then we can say yes, it is what? Dx by dt. Then the small d will come, very small change, dx by dt, and that is called rate of change. What is the rate? At what rate it is changing? Okay, so that is the meaning of physical meaning of rate of change. Okay, how fast, how slow it is changing. Then we are going to see many things, maxima, minima, and how the things are there. And in the geometrical meaning, you have seen that slope, right? dy by dx. At any point, the slope is there. Like this here. Here, the slope is there, right? Remembered? So dy by dx was the slope also, theta, hai na? Angle with tan theta. So I hope you have understood both the meanings, significance, geometrical and physical, both. Okay? Understood it? So note it down fast. We're going to erase it. Rate of change, and you can note it down. That is the meaning is rate of change. How the things are changing. Okay, moving ahead. We'll see some basic function whose differentiation is what? It's nothing but a differentiation only. Method of differentiation, MOD means method of differentiation. There are many methods. So some basics, hai na? If you get the function like x power n, then you may be knowing, hai na, what is the differentiation of x power n? Differentiation of x power n is, yes, d by dx of x power n. D by dx of x power n is, you all have known, right? And x power n minus 1. What you have done, whatever is there in the power, hai na, bring it ahead and reduce the power by 1. Reduce the power by 1. That is called nx n minus 1, right? If some constant is there, if some constant is coming, then its differentiation is 0. Okay, it can be related. You can see by the graph how it is related. Any graph, hai na? Like for example, y is equal to some constant, y is equal to k is there. For say y is equal to 5 is there. What about this y is equal to 5 graph of y is equal to 5 is? What is the graph of y is equal to 5? Y is equal to 5 is the line parallel to the x-axis, right? It is a line parallel to the x-axis, right? And what is the slope of this line? Yes, slope is how much the angle is making with the x-axis. It's parallel to the x-axis. So theta is 0. It means tan theta is 0, right? Theta is 0. So slope is m is equal to tan theta, right? Tan of 0 degree is 0. So that is the meaning. Okay. So the constant is giving 0 as the differentiation. Okay. Got it? Moving ahead. Some trigonometric functions are there, exponential functions are there. There we will see, hai na? D by dx of, if some constant is multiplied with x power n. So what we'll do? Our target is this x power n. Okay. So what we'll do? We will take out a, hai na, and we'll differentiate the x raised to power n. We'll differentiate the x raised to power n, and that will become a n x raised to power n minus 1. Okay. Very simple. Yes, Vita. Shutan, ask the question. Do you have any asked question?
No, sir, mistake.
Okay, moving ahead. So I hope is there no any doubt in that? You may have studied in class 11 very nicely these things, right? Okay, so moving ahead, we'll see differentiation of, like this you can see the many, है ना, many of the differentiation, and in physics also you have seen a lot. So, although you know, still I am telling you few of that. D by dx of log x. Log x is yes, remembered? अब बड़ा बोरिश कितना आंसर आएगा? Yes, differentiation of 1 by x. I'm seeing only the photo of 2 people, है ना? Others have off their videos. You all are requested to please switch on their cameras. Okay, so ln x differentiation is 1 by x, right? Correct? Please remember these things. Other these are going to be used in integration. As we proceed in the next chapter, these are going to be important for that. A power x d by dx of a raised to power x. A raised to power x is
A log A.
a log a. नहीं बेटा, a raised to power x into ln a. What? ln a. Okay? याद करते जाओ, है ना? d by dx of ln x, sorry, e power x. E power x. E power x is e power x. हाँ, तो इसका जोक तो आपको याद ही होगा, है ना, बताया था मैंने. We'll see in the integration. Don't worry, है ना. Please remember e power x is very important, है ना. Naughtiest child, you can say. Okay, then d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x is, yes, tell me fast. Minus cos x. No, cos x, है ना. D by dx of cos x is minus sin x, है ना. Okay, right? D by dx of tan x. Tan x is d by dx of tan x is, हम बताओ, आप लोग भी बोल सकते हो, है ना. पूरी आजादी है आपको, राइट? यू ऑल हैव फ्रीडम. हाँ, sec square x. Okay, d by dx of cot x is yes, tell me. आप लोगों को तो पढ़ाया पहले से. You all have studied in the extra class, right? What is the cot x? The night gone, sir, है ना, the memory gone. We came from the holidays, so don't worry. D by dx cot x का minus cosec square x, right? Then sec x is sec x tan x. Then cosec x is d by dx of cosec x is, हाँ बेटा बोरिश,
cot x cosec x.
हाँ, cosec x cot x minus cosec x cot x, right? Okay, I hope you have gone through this formula quite, है ना? Now, a lot of more formulas are there. You can keep some space there. We will give you later also some formulas like, है ना, which will be required. You can just write inverse trigonometry also. Huh? Right now, you can just write inverse trigonometry also. Then we will go for some problems. I'm erasing that. Okay. Or you maybe remember, right? I gave you all the formulas in inverse trigonometry of differentiation there, right? Sin inverse x differentiation is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square, right? Differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Remember? Differentiation of tan inverse x is, I don't feel that is need to be written, right? Should I write it? Okay, on your demands. Yes, tell me. Everything is equal, no? But some noise is coming. Please mute it. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, then cot inverse and sec inverse x you can write accordingly, right? So these three are the most important things which you need to be remembered. Okay, so now we are moving ahead and we'll see some problems. Before that, is it done? Should I erase it? Cot inverse x minus लगा दो, है ना? Sec inverse x, you know that, right? X upon. Now moving ahead. Arithmetic over, है ना? Arithmetic over the differentiation. Like two functions are in the form of addition. So how you are going to differentiate these two functions, right? Let us say, we can say arithmetic operation. Operation. कहाँ वीडियो चल रहा है बेटा? किसके यहाँ बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा है? Please mute it. Ranjit, please mute it. Who's the host? Mute him. Arithmetic operation. Okay, so first thing is that if the fx plus gx is there, है ना? Fx plus gx is there. There is a warning message for 10 minutes. So we will rejoin it. Don't worry. Okay, on the same link, same way. So fx plus gx. If fx plus gx is coming and their differentiation they are asking, so what you will do? We will differentiate separately and we'll move ahead, है ना? And write it after that addition. Okay, so for subtraction and addition, both the things are same. Okay, so one thing is over here, you can see f dash x, है ना? F dash x is nothing but a differentiation of fx. F dash x means d by dx of the function. Okay, it is written like this, f dash x. Okay, so please remember this notation. It is nothing but a differentiation. Okay, got it? It is one time f dash means first differentiation. If it two times, this is second differentiation, है ना? Three times in three differentiation. Okay. So as for addition and subtraction, these things are going to come. For multiplication rule, product rule. What you can say? Product rule. For multiplication, we can say it is as product rule. Fx into gx. If these two functions are coming in multiply, then how we can able to differentiate it? Let's see. Differentiate the first function, or just do one thing. You can write the formula. How you can remember it? Though function का multiplication, they are multiplication of two functions. Write these two function two times as it is, right? ऐसा लिख लिया. Okay. Then on first differentiation and on second differentiation. Okay. So what you can see here from here? It is nothing but the differentiation of first function into second function as it is plus second function का differentiation into first function as it is. Okay, got it? So it's very easy to remember for you if the functions are coming in multiplication of three functions. So you can apply accordingly, है ना? As you have seen, है ना? We will generalizing the concept like in the top fx plus gx plus hx 3-4 function will come. So the rule will going to be followed same. Okay. You have studied till now for only 2 functions, but in your examination there may be the 3 function, 4 function, 5 function may come. Okay. So you have to deal accordingly. Please remember that. Okay. So for 2 function you have to write like this. For 3 function, what you will do? Let us say 3 functions are there. f1 x into f2 x into f3x. What you will do? What you will do? You will write these 3 functions 3 times, right? Multiplication of these 3 functions 3 times. लिख लो इसको, है ना? fx ऐसा पहले लिख लेने का. Formula you have to remember, right? But it is very difficult for you to get remember because many of times we are getting confused. Which one should be differentiated and which one should not be. So don't be get confused. You can apply the dash alternatively, right? On first function, here on second, and here on third, right? So this is the formula. Remembered? How easy it is to remember? First function is differentiated, rest 2, or you have to write it as it is. Here second function is differentiated, the rest 2 are as it is. And over here, the first 2 are differentiated and third is as it is. If you can remember this logic, you will able to solve the IIT, JEE and advanced problems based on that. And we'll show you one problem on IIT advanced based on this concept only. Okay. And if you can go with this flow, Hannah, first function u into v formula, you will end up with a long calculation and long time. It will take a long time. Okay. So please remember 3 function is there. So you can solve in this way. 4 functions are there. This way only. 5 function. Okay. So it is generalized concept. Very important. Important it is. Mark it down. This is called product rule. Somewhere it is written like this. You can see u into v is equal to u dash v plus uv dash. Correct? ये भी लिखा रहता है product rule के form में. So don't be get confused. U is the first function and v is the second function. U is the first function and v is the second function. Now the next is division rule. Division rule. The next is division rule. Okay. What is the division rule? The division rule is like, we can see the 2 functions are coming in the division. I think it's not visible to you all, right? Should I write on the top? Let me write on the top. 2-3 rules we are going to see, then we will go for the questions. Quickly we'll complete these rules. So here, division rule. Addition we have seen, subtraction we have seen, then we have seen the multiplication of 2 functions. Then the thing is that the division of 2 functions, right? So that is called division rule. So let's see division rule. Fx divided by gx. And provided you know that gx cannot be equal to 0, right? This is, we can say, a rational function. If you remember, this is nothing but a rational function, right? So whenever we are writing like this function, you can easily remember that fx upon gx, then gx cannot be equal to 0. Are you understanding or not? Yes, the new student. Mungrela.
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what you have to do is just make one line, है ना, which is separating numerator and denominator, and write the square of the denominator over here. What is the denominator? Gx. So just square of that. Okay. Then ऊपर में भी 2 बार लिख लो, है ना, fx gx minus subtract, है ना, fx gx, है ना. We have written it down, right, 2 times, but here we have written with positive sign, here we have written is negative sign, and the same thing we have to go to apply like this. Okay, like this. Understood? So this is the formula. Okay. I hope you understood it. Correct? Is it that okay? You may have seen the formula like u by v. So you have seen u dash v minus u v dash upon u square. This is in short, it is written like this, right? Okay. So now coming to some questions, and we'll see in some time the chain rule also. So some problems are there which you need to be practiced. Let's see. The function is like that. If you have done it, so example, x square plus 5x plus e power x plus 6, differentiate this function, differentiate this function. Yes, x square is there, so differentiation of x square is, as per the formula, x raised to power n, right? X raised to power n, है ना? X is the variable, n is the number over here, right? So x raised to power n. So what is the differentiation of this? It is 2x, right? So you can write f dash x is equal to 2x plus 5 is the constant. So, है ना? Coming ahead, then x is the differentiation of x is 1, right? Because x raised to power 1, you can apply the formula